This is an easy, beginner-friendly yoga class to gently wake up your body and quiet your mind. You do not have to be flexible. You do not have to be good at yoga. You just have to arrive and breathe. Come into a comfortable seated position in the middle of your mat. You can sit cross-legged, on your shins, or on a pillow if that feels better. Place your left hand on the belly and right on the heart. Breathe in, belly, ribs, heart, and a long exhale out of the mouth. Ask yourself, why did I show up to my mat today? Maybe it's to release stress, to move after sitting all day, to feel a little more at home in your body. Whatever your reason is, just acknowledge it. Let's start by rolling the shoulders backwards. Then switch the direction. Notice if you can soften the jaw as the shoulders move. Now extend your left arm across your chest. Use your right arm to gently draw the arm closer in. Breathe into the back of the shoulder. Release and switch sides. Right arm across the chest, left hand supports. Now reach your left arm overhead. Use your right hand to gently hold the elbow and guide it back. You'll feel a stretch through the back of the arm and the side of the body. Release and switch to the right elbow. Let both arms come down. Clasp the hands and roll the wrists out. For our seated side stretch, we'll reach the left arm towards the right. Keep both sit bones on the ground. Come back to center, left hand down. Inhale, right arm lifts and reaches over to the left. Feel the space along the right side of your body. Come back to center and intertwine your fingers and push back. Let's gently make your way to the back of your mat in child's pose position. From here, lift your hips a little and walk your hands forward into puppy pose. Hips stay above the knees as your chest melts towards the floor. You can rest on your forehead or chin. Breathe into your chest and shoulders. And exhale all tension. Now slide onto your belly and bring your elbows on your shoulders for Swings pose. Now press into your palms and gently lift into an upward dog or cobra. Exhale, lift your hips into downward dog and hop over so you are back into a seated position. Place your hands on your knees for seated cat-cow. Inhale, chest shines forward. Exhale, round the spine, draw the belly in. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Take a few more rounds with your breath. Feel the spine wake up. Come back to a neutral position and move into a seated spinal twist. Place your right hand behind you and your left hand on the right knee so you come into a spinal twist. Then come back to center and switch sides. Left hand behind you, right hand to the left knee and twist. Return to center. Now extend your legs out in front for a seated forward fold. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hinge from the hips and fold forward. Hand resting on your legs, ankles, or feet. Think more about lengthening through the hips and keeping the lower back straight than how far you go. Just breathe. Just let go. Feel the hamstring stretch. Slowly roll down onto your back one vertebra at a time. Extend the legs and take hold of the outsides of your feet. You can stay still or gently rock side to side. This pose can feel challenging, but trust me, you got this. When you're ready, lower the legs, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees open out to the sides for a reclined butterfly pose. Or if you prefer, lengthen both legs out for a classic Shavasana. Close your eyes, arms rest by your sides, palms facing up. Take one deep breath in through the nose, big sigh out through the mouth. Let your whole body relax into the mat. Nothing to fix, nowhere else to be. Notice how your body feels compared to when you started. Maybe a little softer, a little calmer. Stay in this relaxing state for as long as you like. But if you're ready to come out, place both hands on your heart and thank yourself for showing up to your mat today. I'm Yannick, and I'll see you in the next class. Namaste.